Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab A1 Mini fail to connect to Wi-Fi setup troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Verify you are using a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Open your router settings and confirm that the network is broadcasting a 2.4 GHz SSID. If your router combines 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz under the same network name, Smart Connect slash bad steering temporarily create a separate 2.4 GHz network. Connect the printer to the dedicated 2.4 GHz network and try again. Fix 2. Double check the Wi-Fi password. Re-enter the password carefully. Passwords are case sensitive. Avoid leading or trailing spaces. Avoid leading or trailing spaces. If necessary, forget the network and reconnect from the printer. Fix 3. Restart the printer and router. Turn off the A1 Mini and unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 to 60 seconds. Now restart the router and wait until the internet connection is fully restored. Power the printer back on and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Fix 4. Move the printer closer to the router. Place the printer within range of your router. Remove large metal objects or walls that may block the signal. And avoid placing the printer near microwaves or other devices that can interfere with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Fix 5. Forget the network and reconnect. Open the printer's network slash Wi-Fi settings and forget or remove the saved Wi-Fi network. Now scan for available networks again and select your network and enter the password again. Fix 6. Update the printer firmware. If possible, temporarily connect using another available network or mobile hotspot. Install any available firmware updates, then restart the printer after the update and reconnect to your home Wi-Fi. Fix 7. Test with a mobile hotspot. This helps determine whether the problem is with the printer or your router. Enable a 2.4 GHz hotspot on your smartphone if supported. Then connect the printer to the hotspot. If it connects successfully, your home router settings are likely causing the issue. Fix 8. Reset the printer's network settings. Corrupted network settings can prevent connections. Open the printer's settings, then reset or clear the network configuration if available. Now restart the printer setup with the Wi-Fi connection from scratch. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.